开了吗？
它会亮。
哦，OK，讲亮黄的那个。
对。
好了吗？
好的。
So this is our product, this breast, and when you put this inside, you can immediately feel your air flow change. It's much more better. So can you take a deep breath now? Okay, and then now you put inside. Oh, maybe it's too wide. You can bend it. You can bend this one.
Like this?
Take another deep breath.
Yeah.
Did you feel the air become more?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, immediately you can change. Right?
Yeah.
That's very simple but powerful.
Okay, it's working.
Maybe I think maybe the size is a little bigger. We have 6 different sizes, 5 different sizes. So maybe you can try the smaller one. This fits you better. Yeah, you can bend it.
Yes, also it's okay.
I think maybe this one is.
Yes.
This one is too long.
Yes.
This one is
okay.
This I think maybe this
Yes,
one is
it's better. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we share your video online?
Yes, you can share.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. 好，可以。因为我问了，他说可以。